Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia and today I'm back with another new video of mine which I would be showing you all a short tutorial of manicure. But I would like to tell your friends, please do click on the like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And before you end this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So come, let's get started with the video quickly. So these are all the things that would be required for our manicure today. Just have a look nicely. So the first step will be removing the nail polish with any nail polish remover. So we'll start off with the nail cutting, friends. This is the second step. First you would always start cutting the nails from both the side, one on the right hand side, one on the left hand side, and then the middle portion of the nail. Pay attention to the procedure really well, friends. If you do not cut the nails properly, then during filing there would be a problem. So I would repeat this procedure in both hands. So we will start off with the nail filing, friends. From both ends we will start the filing the way we did the nail cutting. From the outer to inner corner we will need to start the filing. As you can see, just have a look nicely. You need to file the nails really well, friends, as you can see, in order to get a good shape. I will complete on both the hands the same procedure. Now in hot water I will take some shampoo and some hydrogen peroxide, and then after that immerse my client's hand for approximately 5 minutes. And then I will start off with the cleansing. I've added a little cleanser, and then after that lightly with a light brush I will start cleaning the nails and the hands. Even if you have any soft sponge, you can use that as well. Be very gentle on the skin, friends, as this part of the hand is very soft and tender. Now we will wash out our client's hands nicely so that whatever cleanser or soap water will be removed nicely. So the next step is applying the scrub, friends. As you can see, I will gently massage this on the skin and scrub it for approximately 2 minutes on the entire hand from elbow and below. Now rinse off your client's hands completely. Now we will start off with the nail cleansing. First we will apply some cuticle cream on the nails, and then after that with a cuticle cutter we will push the skin back and clean it, as you can see. This procedure will be repeated on both hands. So have a look nicely how you need to do this so that your nails can be cleansed well. So now I would start off with the massage on the hand. As you can see, I've applied some massage cream, and then after that, one after the other, I would start off with the massage strokes. Just have a look nicely at the complete video so that you can have an idea how do you need to complete your manicure by doing a good relaxation massage on your fingers and on your hands. If you give a good massage, friends, your skin will be hydrated with the moisturizer that you use, and it will get into your skin really well. So a good massage is very important for manicure. So have a look how you need to do it. Complete the entire procedure on both hands. And while doing the massage, you can even ask your client whether the pressure level is okay, whether you need to increase it or decrease it, so the client will feel more relaxed. Each step on both hands, friends, it should be repeated approximately 2 to 3 times The massage duration on both hands should be approximately 15 minutes. This is a basic manicure, so the manicure should be completed within 35 to 40 minutes, friends. So we will end this manicure with the nail polish. We will apply the nail polish on both hands and then after that repeat it for the second coating because this is a very light shade. I hope you found this video very helpful, friends. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the like button if you found this video really helpful. A regular manicure not only keeps your nail clean but gives you a good enhanced look and even takes care of your cuticle and nails. So once a month doing this manicure is really beneficial, friends. So please do comment down below how did you find this video of mine so that I will be updated and know what kind of videos to come up next. So friends, I hope you liked this video of mine. It was a short tutorial of manicure. I hope it was informative enough and helpful. For more such videos, friends, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye.